So it is Crazy Hair Day.
So you just put it straight along.
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. So I just finished filming and now I am rewarding myself with excuse me, with abacha. I have abacha here. Let me show you that. I have the uba and then this is the fish with some veggies and some onions. Like, this is so good. This is so good. The abacha itself is so good. And then I have this suya. I've already eaten a bit of it. I have suya. This is beef suya, Niger, authentic Niger suya with the raji. I'm already eating this one. Like, this is so good. This is the raji. I don't know if you can see it, if it will focus. If you're not Nigerian, this is like a beef jerky, a lot more yummier. Okay, very this was from yesterday when we went to the family house yesterday. There was so much to eat and drink. Oh my god, that reminds me, I need like something to wash this down. So my sister-in-law prepared a whole lot of things, which is where I got this from. She packaged this one for me for a takeaway. We also have eaten some of the cake. She also made cake. When I tell you I have the best sister-in-law, like, I'm not even kidding. I don't know if the lighting here is bright enough. I feel like this thing is... I'm watching real estate. I love these real estate shows, but the volume is too loud. We ate this there. This is just like the leftover from the one we ate yesterday. I carried this one because I know it was going to come in handy. So this came in really handy. I just needed to warm it up in the microwave and yeah. Let me keep you guys here. So after this, I'm going to go and pick up Ora Zara. Ora Zara are in school at the moment. I think I'm going to leave this suya for my husband. I'm going to eat one and leave one for him. The thing is, when I was grabbing this, he was looking at me. I know he would like to eat some, so I will leave some for him. The amount of pepper, I love that there's so much pepper in the raji. Is it raji? Is it called raji? I hope so. Alright guys, so I am going to go pick up Ora and Zara. So I'll see you soon.
Baby. What? Mama, can you put this song on?
This song?
Yeah.
Is so hot, so I think we are going to have some ice cream. I've got some ice cream. Everyone have some. Take one. They're all the same.
Yeah. One time I went on the swing like this and I leaned.
Hey guys, so I'm just trying to entertain the girls and I'm tired. I think I'm going to talk to you guys soon. It's hard to actually do something else because I want to be watching them as well. You guys, when I went to go pick Ora and Zara up, the way Ora left me, she did not even look at me. Once she saw her cousin, she just went straight, hugged her tight. It was just so beautiful to watch. She just warmed my heart. And yeah, so we are going to take her back. Probably my husband will take her back later on in the evening. I'm trying to find some food. Snacks, that's what they are having at the moment. Yeah, I think I'm going to talk to you guys soon. What is that iron doing there? I'll talk to you guys soon.
Good morning, guys. So it is crazy hair day today. Come this way. Let me see. Stand here. Crazy hair day, and this is what I've done. Even Zara's as well. So I have put like a strand of braiding hair just all around their hair. Zara, come, let me see. Let me see yours. Do you like your hair?
No.
It's what they told me. They sent us all like an email saying, oh, this morning is a crazy hair day. Make your child's hair as crazy as possible. So that's what I did. I try to follow their, their activities and all that. I think it's fun. Because most of the time I forget, so I don't get the email or I'm busy or whatnot. And then when they start sharing the photos for the day, I see my own kids not looking off. So today I tried for them to participate. It's like this garage is open. Who opened this garage? I like to organize myself, like arrange myself a bit, put myself together a bit before I drop them off. I don't want to be looking like the crazy mom. You never catch me on bonnets, like wearing a hair bonnet to their school. No. I try to present myself how I want to be respected or addressed. So I have to brush my teeth. And I'm not doing makeup, at least I'll put some moisturizer on my face. Hey, it's been there. Jeez. Let me go and do the bin. Hang on. Oh, the card, this thing is already coming out, sir. I don't want to take chances. Yeah, today is bin day. Oh, they haven't come already. Alright, guys, so I just dropped off the girls. Copyright. So now I'm going to start my day proper. I have a lot to do today. So, oh, they haven't come. Bin collection. I know it. The other side, they've already collected all of the other streets. Anywho, I'll talk to you guys soon. Alright guys, so this is me 17 years later. Okay, so I totally forgot to end this vlog, and this is me just trying to end the vlog. It hasn't been 17 years, but like honestly I cannot remember how that particular day ended. But anyway, this is me trying to end this one. I know by now I've already vlogged new vlogs that I've posted already, but this one was just stuck in my drafts and I wanted to just get it out. I almost did not post this video, and please ignore my voice, okay, because I'm a bit under the weather. But that's beside the point. I'm just here to say thank you for watching. These days I haven't been feeling like very enthusiastic, when it comes to vlogging. I know that I have been slacking. I have been lacking motivation as well. Like, I just feel like, I don't know, and you guys are not helping me. Like, when I post vlogs, please leave comments, tell me your favorite part of the video, tell me what you don't like about the video so I can improve, right? So I don't want to post vlogs and you guys is like crickets, and then when I post sit down videos, you guys are commenting. So yeah, I'm human, okay? So it just shows me that maybe you guys do not like my vlogs anymore, or maybe you prefer other type of videos like sit down videos, which I am happy to keep posting. But if you like vlogs and you want me to continue posting vlogs, please encourage me. Leave a comment, leave a like, just say something, just say hi. If you don't know what to say, just say hi in the comment section, okay? But that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Don't forget to leave a comment. Like I said, leave a comment, thumbs up, okay? Share the video, do all of those good stuff that make me want to post more, okay? please I am begging. And that's it. Like I said, I've been under the weather. I'm still under the weather, still recovering, but I have strength, a bit of strength to edit videos today. So thank God I got this video out of my draft, and let's continue from where we stopped, okay? I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace. Love you guys. Bye. Need someone to hold, a friend to light the way when the world starts to unfold. Through all the ups and downs, the highs and lows we share, we'll stick together, ride or die. Let's show we really care.